hit the record. It is recording. Okay, good. Chapter 16, 1 day. We are able to do this in 1 day because we've done so much stuff before on chapters 9, 14, and 15. And so monopolistic competition is our last of the 4 market structures. So we have perfect competition, then we had monopolies, then we had oligopolies. We spent 2 weeks on chapters 9 and 14. And none of those markets actually exist. And so the reason is, again, of why we do that is because in order for this to make sense, we have to know what the extremes are. And so we'll be able to look at the content, we'll be able to do this whole chapter in like an hour. And so maybe an hour and 10 minutes. That includes a kind of a bigger activity that you'll do with the whiteboards today. As we get going, here's a couple different things that I think I'll draw your attention to. What we'll do at the very beginning is we're going to be looking at characteristics of monopolistic competition, but if you notice this at the very next slide is a check understanding. So I will have you do a check understanding first before we get into the the characteristics of monopolistic competition. And we're going to talk about the profit maximizing price and output level for that monopolistically competitive firm. And we're really going to focus on differentiation. So these first 2 things, and also this one down here. So the first 2 and the 4th bullet, it'll be like a review of 9 and 14 and 15. And so we'll kind of use that previous knowledge to apply it to this chapter here. And then we'll spend 15, 20 minutes talking about product differentiation and this excess capacity. Those are the 2 main differences between monopolistic competition and our monopolies, perfect competition, and oligopolies, right? So really, we spend maybe 15, 20 minutes talking about how it's different. So the beginning will be talking about how it's really similar. So in that, with that being the case, let's have you go through and there's a 4-question check your understanding. So let's have you let's have you jump in and take this check your understanding. I'm going to